In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a Slack workspace member. In Slack, the proper way to remove someone from a workspace is not by deleting their profile, but by deactivating their account. That's because Slack keeps message history, file references, and past conversations connected to that user. Deactivation is the standard offboarding method because it immediately removes access, signs the person out of all active sessions, and helps stop ongoing billing for that seat while still preserving historical workspace data. Before you begin, make sure you have the correct permissions. Only a primary workspace owner, or workspace admin can manage membership and deactivate accounts. Regular members and guests won't have access to these controls. To start, open Slack either in the desktop app or in a desktop web browser. Once you're inside the correct workspace, go to the top left area of the sidebar and click on the workspace name. This opens the main workspace menu. From there, look for the option labeled Tools and Settings, or in some workspaces, Administration. Open that section and choose Manage Members. Slack will then open the Admin Member Management page in your browser. Once the Manage Members page loads, go to the search field at the top of the member list. Here, enter the name, display name, or email address of the person you want to remove. As you type, the list will filter automatically, making it easier to find the correct account. When you see the matching member entry, move across to the far right side of that row. At the end of the user's row, click the three-dot More Actions menu. This opens the available administrative actions for that profile. From that menu, select Deactivate Account. Slack will then show a red confirmation window asking you to confirm the deactivation. Take a moment to review the message on screen. Slack will typically remind you that the user's direct messages and historical activity remain archived, but their access to the workspace will end immediately. When you're ready, click the red Deactivate or Deactivate Account button to confirm. After that, the admin page should refresh automatically. The member's account status will change to show that it is no longer active, and the profile will appear under the Deactivated Members section. If you switch back to Slack, the system will also force that user out of all desktop, mobile, and browser sessions as soon as the change syncs, and that's it. That is how you securely remove a Slack workspace member by deactivating their account. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.